Success in life does not come from luck. It comes from decisions you make every single day. Many people dream. But only a few are ready to work when it is hard. Wait when results are slow. And stand strong when others give up. You may start with nothing. No support. No money. No guidance. But remember, discipline can defeat difficulty. Do not compare your beginning with someone else's success. Everyone has a different journey. Move forward step by step. Even slow progress is still progress. Failures will come. Pain will come. Doubt will whisper in your ears. But if you keep going, one day your struggle will become your strength. Success is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. Wake up. Believe in yourself. Work silently. And let your results make the noise.
Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 verse 47. Sanskrit slogan. Do not stop working because of fear of failure. Do your duty every day. Without fear. Krishna gave Arjuna discipline. Krishna changed Arjuna's thinking. Success in life does not come from luck. It comes from the decisions you make every single day. Many people dream of victory, but only a few are ready to fight their inner war. To stand firm when fear appears. To act when the path is unclear. Krishna says, don't compare your journey with others. Do your duty. Failures will come. Pain will come. Even righteous people suffer. But if you keep walking the path of dharma, one day, your struggle will become your strength. If you like this video, please don't forget like, comment and subscribe.